Now these are the tools that you will need, and the elastic you can find at a fabric store or at Walmart. So since this video is about applying an elastic band so that your wigs would lay flat, you want to make sure that your hair is set up where you're going to wear the wig. I'm placing it on the side of my ear, then to the center of the back of my neck, and then I will pull. And this is how much elastic that I will need to be sure that this lace will lay flat. The wig itself will lay flat to my hairline. Now, in cutting the lace off your lace wigs, it's always best to use pinking shears. They have that like zigzagness to them, but I'm just using some scissors because everybody doesn't have pinking shears. The closer you cut to the hairline or to the amount of hair that's there on the edge, the better, because then that means it will look a little bit more natural once it lays against your hairline. Now here I'm just using needle and thread. The thread is actually weaving thread, not sewing thread. And I'm using a hook needle, which is a weaving hook needle that you can find at any beauty supply store. Both the thread and the needles you can find at a beauty supply store. What you're also noticing is that I am making sure I sew these, the elastic ends to the sides or the ear tabs of the lace wig so that I know that it fits from ear to ear or from temple to temple. So now that I have my combs and my elastic band has been installed, this is actually how you put it on, and you just put the elastic over to the back of your neck, and then you can pull the remainder of the wig down. This is where you can use bobby pins to make sure that's flush and bobby pin it to the elastic band.